Hi guys, now we are going to see how we can determine the character occurrences in a given string. Okay, so the same way, so we do have the hello. Okay, so we are going to calculate the character occurrences of that particular character. Okay, so in that particular string. Okay, so let me write the program. Okay, so in Java we do have there is a cats function. Okay, so which is going to return us the int string. Okay, so So in the string, right? So in the string class, there is a cats function that is being available. So which is returning us that int string. Okay. So this is being introduced in the Java 8 and Java 9. Okay. And so we are going to use, okay, we are going to use map to object. Okay. So we are going to get some string and we are converting that particular int string to. So we want to determine we just wanted to determine the character. Okay. So that's the reason I am going to convert this into character. Okay. So let me take one lambda expression. So I'm just converting. Okay. So this is just for converting the particular int string so that we are getting into a character. Okay. And so now what I am going to do? So I'm going to calculate the occurrences, right? So I'm collecting. So in Java 8, so we do have the character start grouping by. Okay. So there is a grouping by function. Okay. So which is used to group. I mean, it's like a normal SQL function. So if you use the SQL function, right? So we generally so got that group. Okay. In that particular group, we will be able to see the elements that it is being grouped. Okay. So there is a grouping by, so character start grouping by, and so it comes with the multiple flavors. Okay. So the first thing is so yeah, if you see here, so it comes with the three flavors. Okay. That grouping by function is comes with the three flavors. Okay. Let me write it. So grouping by. So if it doesn't give only one parameter, okay. So if we have only one parameter, so let me write it over here. So what it will do. So I just wrote it. Okay. So what grouping by is going to do. So it is going to take this as a key and the value will also be the same. Okay. So because we are not mapping it to any other things. Okay. We are not mapping it to any other things. So the output will be like this one. So that is like, so it will be object and so it is going to give us. So let me check. Okay. Let us check from right here. Okay. So we are going to get the list of the character for that particular key. Okay. But our aim is to count the character. Okay. Count the number of the characters. Okay. So this is not applicable one, but I am showing you characters mapped. Okay. So how to which character it is going to be mapped. Okay. So this is just for okay. This is just I'm showing how we can do this. Okay. Grouping. Okay. In multiple ways. Okay. I'm going to print this. Okay. But we are not yeah, let me run it. Okay. See, L is mapped to array of L's. Okay. So that's how it is going to be. But I just need an output of so the count, how many, okay, the count, how many characters that it is being there with the string. Okay. So how many times, how many occurrences that is being done. Okay. So let me do one thing. Okay. So I am using the second flavor. Okay. That is like counting. I need. Okay. Let me start with color to start counting. Okay. I will remove this returns and catching that particular thing. Okay. So I just wanted to have some, I'm using color to start counting. Okay. So this color to start counting, it is going to return us the long. Okay. So that's the reason like I'm going to have some character along with the long value. Okay. So this is like character map. Okay. Character map. This is like character map. Okay. Let me run it. So in this flavor, we will be able to see the character along with the count that they occurred. Okay. In the particular string. But so if we see here, right? So we are not able to see the insertion order. So that is the reason. So there is a start flavor we can have. Okay. How we can do that? Okay. In the second parameter, we can give the collection that we can use. Okay. So this is nothing but our key, and so this is nothing but our collection that we can use. Okay. And this is the value. Okay. This is obviously the value, okay, that we are going to run. Let me run it. If we see, yeah, we are able to get that particular occurrences, right? Character occurrences in the string. Okay. Let me pull it down. Okay. Let me pull it down. Yeah. If we see, so what we have done? So we have done nothing. So we need to determine the character occurrences. So we have taken that string. In string, we do have a one of the method characters. So which is going to return us the int string, and we want to have the character only. So that's the reason like we are casting it to character. So we are casting it to character from that particular entity, and we are going to group. Okay, we are going to group based on the character. Okay, so that's the reason we in the collect. So we are used to we are using this grouping by. Okay, grouping by function. So we do have multiple flavors with the grouping by. So the first thing is if we use only single parameter, so we are going to get the uh, grouping character along with the list of characters. Okay, list of grouping characters. The same thing will be appear here. But thing is, so we need to count it. Okay, count. So that is a value, right? So that should be my value. That's the reason I am using the character start counting. So as a second parameter, but to maintain an insertion order, so I have used this linked hash map. Okay, if I don't use this linked hash map as well, so it is fine. But the thing is, if we want to make the insertion order, so we just wanted to use linked hash map as a second parameter. Okay. This is how it is going to work. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you.